What's up, guys? Got a quick little sneaker video here for you. This is a pair of Jordan 1s that just came out. I'm sure you know which ones they are. The Game Royals. Now, I had these reserved on Nike.com and I still chose not to buy them. Just because it seemed like a lot of work. I was pretty excited when I got the reservation notification, but I chose against picking these up, so I'm taking a video of my friend's pair right here. I heard they were pretty easy to pick up. Here's some in-depth detailed footage for you in case you were wondering if your pair is real or not. I heard they were pretty easy to get, so I didn't really grab them. I didn't think it would be a big deal. I might have made a mistake, but that's okay. It's conventional Nike box, and yes, they do smell like Jordan 1s, like all the other ones. As you can see, it comes with the second pair of laces, a blue laces and a black laces. Pretty fly. It says Nike Air here, obviously. Pretty awesome little sneaker. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.